Like the Nasdaq is well below yesterday's lows, SPYs, Russell too. But many of my stocks are barely red on the day, and those that are above yesterday's lows. Like Beely down to almost 3%, but it's still above yesterday's lows. You can clearly see the relative strength in this thing. Like most of my stocks are showing relative strength. Not all of them, but most. So instead of panicking and thinking the market will go to zero, this is the time when you spot opportunity. When the market is in a big uptrend, the down days are when the big money is made just by stalking the strong things. The market will tell you, the stocks that want to go up, they will tell you they want to go up. Some of them will yell at you. It's all about listening. You have to listen. Exactly, short listener, absolutely. The market will give you clues all the time. The Russell rebalance. Doesn't affect us. Guys, stick to the setups. It's not gonna affect us. Some things will go up, some things will go down. Adhere to your stops. Don't worry about the rebalancing. There's always something. There's always something. There's gonna be news, there's gonna be macro events, there's gonna be index additions, index deletions. Don't worry about them. Worry about your setups and your stops. Yeah, I learned it. I've learned a lot of hard lessons over the years. It's all noise, it's all bullshit. Tune out the financial media, tune out all media. They're not here to help you. It's all entertainment. You're gonna find out the important stuff anyways. Thanks for good example. What example? Just listen to Davey Day Trader? Hey, best entertainment out there right now. If you want some financial entertainment, Davey Day Trader is the best one. It's not even close. But if you buy into the notion that stocks only go up, you're not gonna last for long. Sometimes the market will let you feel that the stocks go up forever. And before you know it, there's gonna be a rug pull. Okay, FMC, I sold a third of my position, took out yesterday's lows, and also now it's breaking below the rising 10-day moving average. So I'm lightening down. This is how you lighten down on a momentum stock once they start breaking support areas. And if it closes below the 10-day, I'm gonna sell a bit more. And then I'm gonna use the 20-day as my final stop. This is how you do it. You never know how high these things can go, so you wait for them to start showing weakness. IB? Yeah, IB also is pretty good. Still trailing Livongo? Yes. There's not been a reason to sell it yet. Guys, stocks don't go straight up. Just because it's having a down candle doesn't mean it's gonna go to zero. Let it pull back a little bit. It's gonna find support. And if it doesn't, you just sell it. Don't worry about these things. Every stock is gonna stop you out sooner or later. Yes, we are pulling back a little bit right now. And it's when things pull back we see which stocks are strong and which ones are not. And if you're too scared, if you feel like, oh, I don't want to give back too much profits, just sell some into strength. Just sell some right here. Wow, NVAX. Maybe this thing can hit $100 by tomorrow. This will be an enormously big short eventually. Maybe, probably not today. Hopefully we get the trade tomorrow or on Friday. But it's getting there. It's now up, what? 73% in 7 or 8 sessions. That's a big move. Guys, remember this day? It looks super scary. Like on this reversal day here. Like even I panicked a little bit because I realized I had too many shares and I thought it was going to pull back to like 55 and I sold some into the weakness. Look at it now. This is why I use trailing stops, because no matter how high you think a stock has gone, you can always go higher. I've learned it the hard way. That's why I always trail some. Yeah, the only way you learn is the hard way. You will never learn trading from a book. You can get trading ideas from a book, trading concepts from a book. But the only way you learn is to learn the lessons from yourself, from the pain of doing the wrong thing. From taking a loss or not taking a loss, or from missing out, or all of these things. They're very painful, all of them. And it's only from the pain that you can learn.